gum in your face.
What's up, guys? Kimber is going to do her first wheel swap today, so we'll see how she does. No pressure, Kimber. Just this drill. Don't die. Alright, so she's doing this little Datsun 510 here. This old basic one here. We're going to do this one because it's a good start. A lot of these are good beginner cars because they only have one rivet and then you can break them apart. So we're going to try that. I've already showed her how to do it, but still, we're just going to have her take her time. Alright, so like I said, just center it in the very middle there. Get some good pressure on it. And then be careful. Alright, make sure it's nice and stable. Yeah, and just kind of go.
Can I do it like here? I'd have to hold it here. Should I hold it here?
Yeah, either or.
Nobody knows. They can't see.
Really good. A little more pressure on it. See how deep it is? You're not very deep yet, so
Yeah.
go a little bit further down. You can kind of.
I'm very weak. I'm probably gonna have to stand up
Yeah, go ahead.
because it's freaking me out to put
Yeah,
pressure.
just put a little bit more, but I would probably recommend going like this so you can just keep it straight and put more pressure on it. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, we're just gonna do a little more, and then you're done. So just there you go. Okay, now we're gonna change this drill bit out here.
Now what are we doing?
Now we're just gonna hit this very lightly until flat. Just center it out. I'll help you get it here. Okay. Okay, now just gonna put that in between there and twist it. These are a little tricky sometimes. Mark just broke it. These ones are all sunken in. Little old cars. Alright, so side note, guys, on these older castings, the spoiler up front, I mean these are integrated in, so you have to go from the back and then pull it out from the front. So it's my fault, I broke the spoiler on it, so I'll have to put another spoiler on this thing. So not the end of the world. Alright, so now showed you what that. So, see if you can see and cut those guys out. Hmm? That one just, yep, good job. Yeah. She did it, Peter. She's doing it, Peter. Okay. And now you're just gonna place those in there and kind of pop them in there. Pop a Murphy them in there. Okay, and then maybe use this to push the center in just a little bit. Oh, pretty good. It's pretty glunky.
I have good nails for this too.
Yeah. You just don't want to bend the axles because then it'll have a wobble to it. So just push on it in the middle.
Good hand.
Take my strong hand. Yep, now it is. Okay. Now, just need to place the grill in first, and then it should just lay down in there. Yeah. Okay, show them.
Beautiful.
Pretty glunky.
It's pretty glonky.
Does it roll? Does it roll on the ground? Oh yeah. Alright, so okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna go down a little. I'm gonna do this for you, this part, if that's okay.
Yes.
Okay. You just have to make it straight and then put a decent amount of pressure while turning.
Okay.
Just like you're using a screwdriver.
I never used a screwdriver.
Okay. Okay, now move clockwise. You want to keep it. You want to keep it straight up. Yeah. While turning. There you go. Okay. Okay. These little guys here. All right. Okay. Let's check out your fine motor skills.
Oh.
Not today!
So far, so good. Is this magnetic?
A little bit, maybe. Just get that real straight in there. Just put a decent amount of pressure. Get it! It's just gonna self-tap.
Looks a little glonky.
Yeah. If it's not perfectly straight, then it'll... Yeah, that's actually pretty good.
Oof.
What?
That's fine.
Yeah, it's okay. Go a little further in. Kimber's first wheel swap. If Kimber can do it, you can do anything.
Definitely do it.
Anyone can do it. Let's see if it rolls.
A toddler could do it. Oh.
Not really. Kinda, sorta. I just think it's the wheels on this thing.
Yeah.
Don't worry. So. Pretty cool. Looking good. And I'll even let her keep it. Okay, so we're just gonna we broke the spoiler on it. I broke the spoiler on it. These are also really brittle, So we're just gonna fix that real quick. Some other kind of spoiler, but all in all, looks really good. Do you want to attempt to do detail? Do you want to attempt to put red on these?
Oh, I could try.
All right, let's do it. All right. Literally use anything that's plastic. Alright, we're gonna use this. We're not gonna use too much. Usually just use something for stabilization.
I don't have a steady hand at all.
Yeah, I had too much caffeine.
It's better than Mark's, right? Needs a little cleanup.
I didn't know that this was going to be an
Oh wait,
attack
I
on
need
me.
to get closer to my... You didn't know this was going to be an attack on you?
No, I did
How
not.
did you not
I did
know
not
that?
know that that's what this was going to turn into.
That's what it is.
You can also use like probably alcohol for that. There we go. And fix my little shenanigans over here. Okay, Vanna White. Alright guys, Kimber's first wheel swap. Got the screw in it and everything, nice and clean. So this thing's worth $1 million. At least!
Yeah, start your bids. Starting at $199.99.
$199.95.
$199.99.95.
Okay. Alright. Thanks for watching,
Enough.
guys. Have a good night. Peace.
Peace.
Peace. We love you. Bye. I'm in your face.